Assalamu alaikum. This is part 3 of school management system, and in this part we are going to learn how to use GitHub Desktop to upload our code to GitHub. Okay, first of all, download GitHub Desktop. Open your browser and search GitHub Desktop download. Open this website, and for Windows just download it, and for macOS here you can see you can download from this link. After that, just install it and open it. Okay, it looks like this, but I have opened my repository in this GitHub Desktop. So for that, if you want to open your project into GitHub Desktop, just click on top right arrow button here, and you can see here is an option add. Just click on add, and there are three options. Go to add existing repository, click on that, and choose your project path from your laptop or desktop, and just select folder. Okay, like that, and click on select folder. It will automatically open it into your GitHub Desktop. Okay, these are the files that I have changed. Okay, and if we talk about app text, here you can see these lines are not green because these are from the previous commit, and these are the new lines that I have added. Okay, and you can see here injector config files, all these lines are green. It means these lines are new one, and we have not commit it yet, and these lines are not on our remote GitHub. Okay, here you can see these are this is the branch name, and currently we are on our main branch. If you go to your GitHub and your project, here you can see this is a branch that is main, and branch number is only one branch, and that is main. Okay, first of all we will see how you can create a new branch, and just click on it, and here you can see new branch. Click on it and give it a name. I give it a create teacher and create branch. Then it will show you two options: leave my changes on main or bring my changes to create teacher. I have created a new branch, so I will bring my changes to my new branch, and that is create teacher. Just click on it and switch branch. It will automatically shift your code from main branch to teacher branch. Okay, now all the files that I have changed in our new branch, that is create teacher branch, and if we go to our main branch, then there will be no files that we have changed, because the changed files are in our new branch, that is create teacher branch. Okay, now here you can see this is publish branch. It means our branch is, we have created a local branch. For example, if you are working with your colleagues, okay, you are working 2 or 3 friends on a same project, then the other person, then your colleagues cannot see your branch because you have not yet published this branch. It is on your own desktop. It is, you have not published this branch. If you want to publish this branch, just click on it, publish branch. Okay, just publish it. Okay, now they can see it, but they just only see their name. It means you have not committed yet, so they cannot see your code that you have changed in these files. Okay, and for that you need to, here you can see this is a portion where you can add your description. I am going to write create teacher. Okay, and first of all give it a name. Summary, it's required. I am giving the same thing, and commit to create teacher. Just commit it. Okay, now our GitHub desktop is committing. Here you can see after that it will show you an option push origin. Just click on push origin and it will upload your code to GitHub. Okay, and for that here you can see it show me an option create pull request. Okay, just click on it, create pull request, and now we are going to create a pull request. Basically pull request helps you to determine which changes you have published to your branch. Okay, and it helps you to check which issues you have solved in this branch, and I will teach you how you create an issue. Okay, first of all create this pull request, create teacher. Here you can see I can add description what I am doing in this branch, and if this branch solving an issue, so how we can add the issue in this branch. Let me add a description. For example, in this branch, am creating a teacher. First of all, before creating a teacher in this branch, hyphen in this branch am connecting Firebase with our project. Okay, and in this branch I am uploading teachers data to Firebase. Okay, and just click on to show the preview how it will look like. Okay, these are the bullet points. Sorry, for example, if this branch is solving an issue, so for closing that issue you will write close hyphen and issue number, for example 1 2 1 2 3. Okay, but at that time we don't have any issue, and that's why it's not showing an issue. Okay, just click on create pull request. Now it will create a pull request, and now you can see here I have created a pull request, create teacher. I have added the description, and here are some issues because there are some secret files that I am pushing to GitHub, and that's why GitHub is giving me a warning. Okay, and if we talk about our issues, you can create issues here, and for that you can create like that new issue. Just click on it, new issue, give it a title, leave a comment and submit new issue. For example, testing. Here you can describe what is the issue. Okay, submit new issue. Okay, here you can see it's a issue, and you can assign by click on it. You can assign yourself or assign your team member. Okay, and here you can give it a label. It is a bug, a documentation issue, a duplicate, enhancement, invalid question, like that. Okay, and if we go back, here you can see it is testing. And if I want to close this issue in my pull request, go to pull request, go to create teacher, and go to here you can see there are 3 buttons. Click on it and edit, and after that write close F, and you can see here give it a number 2 and click enter. If you go to preview, you can see it is showing the issue name and number. Okay, but right now I'm not solving any issue. Okay, just click on update comment. For example, if I merge pull request, then it will look like okay, here you can see merge and pull request. Merge pull request, just click on it, confirm merge. Okay, here you can see merged and there is no one pull request. And go to your code, and here you can see there are 2 branches. First one is main and other one is create teacher. And now our code is merged into our master. Go to your GitHub Desktop and go to your main file. Okay, just click on it, fetch origin. Fetch origin basically means it will pull your code from GitHub to your local desktop. Here you can see there are pull origin. Just click on pull origin and it will pull your code from GitHub to your desktop. There is another option, rebase, and the concept of rebase is, for example, if you are working with your colleague and you are working on some issue or in some branch or in some file, and your colleague has updated the same file before you. Okay, and that file is merged into your master. Now master is up to date, but you have an older master. Now when you create your branch, it will give you an error, and for that you need to rebase your branch, your old master to new master, and for that you need to rebase this. And how you can do that? Go to on branch, and here you can see rebase current branch. It will rebase your current branch onto new master. Okay, and right now I don't have any branch, that's why I cannot do that. And I think all these things are covered, and here you can change branches, and here you can also see pull request that you have created. Okay, that's for this video. Thanks for watching.